have deals. I got some big boxes of berries. I did them on Snapchat. I should have recorded them. I showed you. That was like 2 days ago when I went to the gym. Because yesterday I didn't go. I had to go to work and I was just tired because I slept late. So yeah, so this was $1. I mean, in the normal store, this will be more expensive. Sometimes if you go to the dollar store, also check, because sometimes they bring them to the dollar store because they're close to the expiry date. But many times the food is actually not close to the expiry date. Like 80% of the food, or maybe about 85, actually more than that, are not close to the expiry dates. Mostly like the packaged food and stuff. So you check. Okay, so these are the bags, and I just kind of did my best to like move things around so I can show you guys what I got. So don't mind the bag. These are like 99 cents store bags. You know, now in California you have to pay for a bag, and I actually kind of like the fact that you don't have to get bags all the time. Let's kind of help the planet, you know. Let's save the planet. We make a lot of waste as human beings, and plastic doesn't really rot. So if you have bags, please try to recycle your bags so we save the energy. Like, so many things are happening. If you check online, I watch all this National Geographic channel, and so many rainforests are going extinct basically, and we're losing animals by the day. So as much as you can do recycle, please do your best. So I'm going to start with the 99 cent store back, because I went to the 99 cent store and I went to Food for Less because I wanted to get bread. And then, you know, when you go bread and carrots, because my mom just kind of reminded me of carrots. Carrots are really good for your eyes. They have keratin, and like you see, I wear glasses and I just like carrots too. I've always liked carrots. So well, let's kind of get into it. I talk too much, so I moved that back to the side. So this is a 99 cents per bag. So the first thing I have here is just dried cranberries. I like dried cranberries because I use it in my salad. I just kind of discovered it recently. Like, I like salads, but when I go to restaurants, salads are very dry. The ones that you actually get like more of a richer salad, they're more expensive. So I was like, why don't I just do salads at home? Because I've always kind of had eaten salad at home, but I'm kind of getting more into doing my own salads, like really getting in there, put the seeds and stuff, because I like seeds, and I like my salad like fancy and appealing to my eyes and taste wise too. So I like cranberries. I was kind of against it at first. I was like, who puts cranberries in salad? It's Americans, because I'm from Nigeria. But tried it, fell in love, can't go back. So yeah, 99 cents store, I saw that they had cranberries. I was gonna film the other time. Actually, they have, like I told you, they always have like deals. So this one we still have till about this time, March 20. So we still have time, and these things, it just depend on how you preserve it. If you put it for a day, doesn't necessarily mean like you can consume it after. Many of these things is like marketing plan for you not to, for you to buy it and then buy a new one when it's done, throw it out. I wasn't raised like that. Some people may say, oh Rose, no, that's just me. Like, best before doesn't mean it's bad. I check the smell, I check how it tastes. If there's mold, then I know. Sometimes some things even get bad before the best before day. So it just depends. So this is just the infused with cherry one. Is the Ocean Spray brand. So I just bought a few because I actually go to Sprouts. If you know Sprouts, like an organic store, they have like so many things, and they sell things in bulk. So you just buy them in bags and put them in your own containers. I just kind of discovered them, and I do that. I have my containers here. I always like plantain chips. If you're Nigerian, you understand. So I go there and I buy. Like this one I actually just got like to refill yesterday, and this was like maybe $9 something. So it saves you money, and you just kind of munch on it as you go, as your snack. You measure it. So I got this is the cherry one, and I got another one, is the infused with blueberries, and then I got the 50% less sugar. These are like a smaller bag. These are like 3 ounces, and these ones are like 6 ounces, but they're all like $1. And if you go to the store, it's more expensive. So I just took it. I was like, okay, let me just try, because this is kind of less sugar. Hopefully I like it. And yeah, I just bought like 2 of each, then 2 of the blueberries and 2 of the cherries, and this was like $1 each, like I said. So this was like $6. And then I got some mangoes. These are the 4-count PZ mangoes, I think that's how you say it. I don't know. They said new packaging. I really don't care. So I like the smaller mangoes because they taste nicer, and mangoes are really good for you. So they have a lot of fiber, and if you're trying to lose weight, this could be your meal, or it actually could be your snack. And people think, oh, I don't want to eat too much fruits. The sugar in fruits is not the same sugar in plants, in all the foods you eat sugar. This is not processed food. This is just straight up plant food, and it's sugar, and it's good for you. And I would advise, if you're trying to lose weight, don't eat too much of sweet fruits. Try eat more of like greens, like salads and stuff, and that would help you. Even meat is good. Like if you're on keto, meat is good. But if you're a vegan, I guess tofu. I'm not a vegan, but I'm trying not to eat that. And this was, I think this was $1.99 for this 4. Sometimes I go to Sam's Club, but I was like, let me just try it, because I'm not trying to buy a lot, because I'm alone right now. So then this one is just some, we say cuties here, Sunkist Delight mandarins. Just, if you're Nigerian, this is just tangerines. This is just a bag, a 3-pound bag, and this was like $2.99. So I got that too. And then I like lemons, because I use lemon for my tea, or sometimes I just actually juiced some oranges I had, because I was sick about 2 weeks ago and I had the flu. So it's good to take like vitamin C a lot. It helps with your system, and citrus. So I had some oranges left, so yesterday I just juiced them with 2 lemons I had, and let's put them in the fridge. So I'm gonna have that later. So yeah, I just got this bag, and this bag was $2.99, but I think it's like a 5-pound bag, so this is a lot of lemons, and it's cheaper if you go there too in the store. So yeah, that is the bag. I'm gonna show you the receipt. So this is the receipt right here. I just blocked some things out. I folded some things out because I don't want you guys to see like my address and stuff. The prices of the things I got, and my total was about $13 for everything. So not bad. Especially for the ocean spray, this is not bad. Actually, when I go to like the Sprouts, you get like a pound for like $4.99, and a pound is about 32 ounces, and this bag, one of them is 6 ounces. So 4 of this bag is like 24 ounces, so that's about $4. So kind of close to a pound, and this is about $2. So just because this is 6 ounces, just because this is like more of a lesser sugar, so it's packaged smaller and it's more expensive to make, I'm thinking. So about the same. It just depends on your preference. I just wanted to try that, that's why. I have some fresh cranberries, dried cranberries actually. So the next bag I'm going to show you guys is my Food 4 Less bag. So I always like salad dressings, and I always check for like how much sugar they have, how much calories they have. But my sister and I, we like the Zest, the Kraft. Or I say Zest because it's the one we buy most of the time. It's like the Zest Italian, but this is the Kraft brand. This is the one we always buy. We mostly get it from Smart and Final. It's kind of a wholesale place, but you don't need a card. But you can get them anywhere. Food 4 Less always has them on sale. So this is like the standard size. They have like the smaller one I had before, but that one runs out quick. So I was gonna go like I'm trying to stay away more of like heavy dressing, because I've noticed I don't really like heavy dressing. I'm trying like the vinegar ones. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is kind of the vinegar one. I put it just in the bottle to put in the fridge. It's just like my storage bottle, but this is the Zesty Italian one. So this is how it looks like. It's almost finished, and I just saw this one. I was gonna buy the same one, this size, and it was $2 because it was on sale. Normally it's like maybe $2.99 or so. I don't think it's ever more than $3. If you see it anywhere more than $3, just run. So yeah, so this was $1.99. It was on sale. So I was like, let me try. I was looking at a different flavor. I said I wanted something light. Like you can see, this is not that thick like all the other ones. So this is like raspberry light, and it has 30 calories but 2 tablespoons. My salad, I don't like my salad too drenched. Like some people just eat only salad dressing. I'm like, okay, so where's the salad? I don't get it. Tell if you're trying to lose weight, kind of go easy on the dressing, but you can go a little bit heavy because this is 30 calories obviously. So I was like, okay, cool, raspberry, let me try it. So I got this one, and then I was going to show you the other one I got. This one is the Marie. I got it from the 99-cent store too, and I saw it, it looked interesting. I was like, okay, onions, I like onions, and sesame seeds. It's good, but I've noticed I don't like thick dressings like this. It's like the Thousand Island, like the ones we always have in Nigeria. If you're Nigerian, you understand, but I don't really like too much of that. So I would, hopefully this is good. If it's good, I'll stick to it, or I'll just go back to my Zesty Italian. So the next thing I have here is just bread. 12 grain bread, because you want to buy bread that has grain, and this is good for you. So I would advise wheat of grain bread. So I always go for the 12 grain bread because this is the one I like. I like the ones with the seeds. You can see the seeds inside there, pumpkin seeds. That's my thing. I just don't like grain bread. I need some seeds in it. This one has, it's 110 calories per slice. So just depending on your calorie count or whatever, you can eat like anywhere from 1 to 3 slices. That's what I would advise. I normally take like 2 slices because the slices are big. So I just got 2 because they were having sale, like 1.49 cents. Normally it's like $1.99. It's kind of like the same bread you buy from Costco, like the something grain bread. It's like, that one is expensive. It's like $5, but I like the taste of this one better. My sister's tried that one before and I didn't really like it, so I like this one and it's cheaper. I just go to Food for Less and I get it. So I got 2. And then I like some cucumbers. Americans say cucumbers, Nigeria will say cucumber. So yeah, I like cucumbers. So my mom got me hooked on this when I was a kid. So I like cucumbers, and this was, they were having 3 for $1. Sometimes it's, I think maybe we're getting close to cucumber season, and it's, you can see it's getting a little bit bigger. You can get like sometimes all the way to like 5 for $1, just depending on the store you go to. So this I got for 3 for $1. I want to put some in my salads. So then the hefty bag, I got like a big bag of carrots. This is a 5-pound bag for $2.49. So I eat a lot of carrots, so this would be gone by maybe this week or next week, just depending if I eat like 2-3 carrots a day. So this, like I told you, they have good keratin. People always buy stuff for their skin. Why don't you eat the vitamins that they're selling you into your body, and they need to make you feel better? So yeah, so I got this bag, and it's cheaper because if you buy the ones that are the baby carrots that are already washed and cleaned for you, I mean, you're paying for their labor. So excuse me, it's more expensive, but this is cheaper. $2.49, 5-pound bag. So I'll show you how much I spent here for all of this. So at Food for Less, I spent $8.49. You can see how it is. Like, I didn't spend a lot. The things were actually very affordable. So if you're shopping and you want to shop on a budget and you're scared of spending too much money or whatever, just check out the 99-cent store sometimes. Look around for deals, basically almost everywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this has kind of helped you out when it comes to like grocery shopping and just an idea of bowling on a budget for your stomach and your health. Yeah, then invest in other things like my gym membership now. The gym I'm trying to sign up for, it's going to be $39 a month because you get a strange. So let me know if you want me to record that, because I was thinking of doing like a 7-day like update on it, like trying for 7 days and giving you guys the feedback and see how I feel and the amenities they provide compared to the money. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.